In front of me is a OPPO A53s, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application located under the Google folder. From here, tap on a little burger icon, go to the settings, where at the bottom you will find import option. Once you click on it, it gives you the option to import contacts from two different locations. We're sticking with the SIM card, and this will then display all the contacts that are on that SIM card that is in the device right now. By default, they will all be selected, so if you don't want all the contacts, you can simply deselect the contacts that you don't want, and from there click on import. This will give you the message at the bottom how many contacts were imported, and when you go back, you'll be able to see them in your contacts list, and that is how you would import your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.